If you're experiencing login errors on your Revolut account, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you regain access to your account quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Revolut app. Go to your device's app store, search for Revolut, and update the app if an update is available. Step 3. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you are using an Android device, go to your device settings, find the Revolut app, and clear its cache. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the app. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Revolut's customer support. Use the in-app chat feature or visit their website for assistance with your login issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors and access your Revolut account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.